संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम, जब तक सफल ना हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम. So Shubhra, coming from that part of manifestation, would you like to share like what have been your affirmations to yourself?
I have immense potential and I can do what I wish for. Second would be I am worthy of what I aspire to be. So these are the two affirmations which I always swear by. And finally, I always ask help of God the Almighty or anyone you believe, even if you are not very religious.
Like, would you add on and would you like to share with our audience?
I have been a studious student.
Studious, yes.
Who tried to score very good marks in school and then in graduation, then also then in masters. But कई बार क्या होता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा करने के चक्कर में कई बार चीज़ें नहीं मिल पाती हैं. जैसे in the first 3 attempts I failed, but finally I succeeded in the 4th attempt.
कि पहले 3 अटेम्प्ट में किसी कैंडिडेट का प्रीलिम्स ही, जो कि यूपीएससी में आपको पता है कि फर्स्ट स्टेज है, वो नहीं क्लियर कोई कर पा रहा है, और जब फिर प्रीलिम्स उनका जब क्लियर हुआ उस अटेम्प्ट में शी क्लियर्ड दी ऑल द 3 स्टेजेस एंड शी गॉट ऑल इंडिया रैंक 204.
So we did not had that extra income thing that time. So even then when I graduated from college, when most parents are saying कि now you should earn something, you have to contribute to the family, especially because there are some difficult times. तो तब भी मेरे parents ने support किया मेरा decision that I am going to stay at home, study all the time and not be a formal part of that economic system at that unit. So that was a very big support and that continued for 3 to 4 years.
Right.
And that was a very big thing because we had to sacrifice some things during those years. So the fear of missing out, that I cannot even fill the second form. So that was very difficult.
Yeah,
But even then my family stood with me.